plundered all the Vaishnava temples. He wanted forcibly to convert all the people to Shaivites. He wanted to say the supremacy is Shiva, not Narayana. So because of his mighty thing, he wanted to force all the people to follow it. So there was one person working in that along with the king. He's Nadat Tulan, his name is. He was actually a disciple of Puratalma. Was a disciple. He learned something from him. So he goes to the king and he says there is no point in forcing somebody to follow Vaishnavism. If you get the chief, who's Sri Vaishnavism chief, you get him, you make him tell that to Shiva is supreme, then all the people will follow. So the king is very much mesmerized. He said, yes, what he said is right. Go and just get him. I want to see. So the people come from Gangai Kondacholam. From there they go to Srirangam to get Ramanuja along with him. So happens, the news comes to Puratalma. So he finds his master is into some trouble. He says these people being fanatics, they don't have any respect for religion. So his best thing is, I need to save my spiritual master. So what he does is, he calls Muraliyana, our spiritual master. He tells, there is I sense some problem. So I request you to carry, because now they are slowly coming inside Srirangam, they are going to dominate our here. So in Srirangam I leave the number one, because they were glorifying the main, we got Periya Perumal, he is the number one. Because he is being worshipped right from Treta Yuga, Satya Yuga. So he is because it has been worshipped by Rama himself, Ishwaku himself. So he says, no, I don't know how they are going to take care of him, but I want to take care of our spiritual master, let us take him. So both of them, so Ramanujas, they change the dress from saffron to white. And both of them leave to Karnataka, over the border. Both of them leave. So the king soldiers come, they ask him who's Ramanuja. So he finds him in saffron robes. He's a Grahastha, but he wears a saffron robe. He says this must be the person. And then he has one spiritual master of Ramanuja, Kariyanam. Both of them, they say, come on, the king wants you. So take the king around. The king sits and he asks, very nice, I'm told you are Ramanuja. Just tell me, what is the supreme personality? So he compares it with, the measure is, in Tamil they call it Sivalam. So one measure. So he compares that. God is supervised. What you are talking is hardly a small measure of it. Something which irritates the king. He irritates the king that if you don't accept, if you don't sign it, if you don't proclaim that this is supreme, I am going to punish you. Then he looks at him and he said, fine. Then who is the other person? He is a spiritual master of Ramanuja. You at least accept. He says, what my disciple has said. So he plucked his eyes, he says. So his master's eyes is plucked in his presence. He is almost 97 years old, Kariyanam. Almost. So his eyes has removed. Immediately this man says, before you remove it, I don't want my eyes to see you. So he plucks his eyes there itself. He plucks both his eyes and he says, I don't want. So this spiritual master, when he is about to leave this, so he leaves the world. By the time he comes to Srirangam and leaves, this man has lost the eyes. He says, what God is there, he knows which is correct. This must be his past time. So whatever has happened to me, maybe I must have misbehaved with somebody. In case this pain has come, I must have insulted some Sri Vaishnava or something. So he accepts not as his fault, or as a king's fault. He feels that some karma has made him do this. So he tries, he leaves the place and he goes back to Srirangam and he says, when my spiritual master is not there in this place, I don't have any role to stay in this place. Let me leave this place. So he leaves the place and goes on. Ramanuja meantime he goes to Melkota. So there he meets Jainists and Buddhists. All these people are very much against anything glorification of something which is supernatural. So they are not interested to know. Then he wants to somehow make these people believe. So what he does is, there is something in their minds they need to remove. So meanwhile the chieftain, King Chieftain, he comes and tells the princess